Hi, so today I'm going to be reviewing the ACEMAGICIan Mini PC, and the model I got is actually the N95 CPU, 16 gigabyte with 512 gigs of onboard storage. So I saw a lot of reviews that were posted that have a lot of specs on them that could do a much better job explaining that than I can. So I'm just going to give you a rundown of what's included with it and what to expect when you receive your PC. And yeah, this is just going to be my first initial reaction, and I will be posting the rest of my findings once I run the PC in review form. So let's get started. So this mini PC has a Intel 12th Gen N95, which can run up to 3.4 gigahertz with 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5. So it's not DDR4. You have much faster memory on this. You also got an M2 that some users claim is replaceable, which is like mainly the reason why I picked this PC over the other ones I've reviewed. So you have good packing material, and then you got your little manual, user manual. You have it included, and so it's written in multiple languages. Cool. So we'll be taking a look at that later. Then you got your PC, and it's wrapped up, and holy heck, man, this is this is like really small. Like when I received the box, like this thing fits in your hand. That's tiny. In the back, you got 3 HDMI ports. I don't know if the internal Intel GPU can run all that, but we will see. And you got 2 ETH in the back. You got your power, and you got, what is that? That is your audio. And then you also got a heatsink back here, so I'm assuming that it has some sort of active cooling, which is kind of cool. And then you got 3 USB ports, which is enough. You got your keyboard, your mouse, and possibly storage. You got your power button, and you got your Intel logo on it. So in general, I mean, it feels nice. I wouldn't say it feels like metal. I think it's a plastic shell, which is not really what I expected, but it does look like there's some sort of mount. I'm not sure if it'll mount VESA. And then on the bottom, you also got your information down here. So yeah, you get a nice little box. You can probably stick this on your desk, and it's gonna probably rival the Mac Mini in terms of, like, you know, a small Windows 11 PC that you can, like, you know, type office documents. You can do office work on it. Based on the specs, I'll try gaming on it. I'm not keeping my fingers crossed, but I mean, we'll see. And it's not intended for gaming, I don't think. I mean, it doesn't have a Thunderbolt port on it, so there's no way to actually upgrade the gaming performance of the PC, which is not why I got it. It's gonna be sitting on a desk for pretty much office work, and I do have pretty good, you know, frame rate with Intel integrated, so we'll see. Maybe we'll get some indie games running pretty well on it as well. Got like Terraria or, you know, other. And then what's in here? Let's go see. We get okay, so you got your power brick, and you got standard US size power brick, and you're outputting at 12 volts, 2.5 amps, 30 watts. So standard power brick, and you also have, okay, cool, you got an included mount, so you can mount this on stuff with the holes in the back of the unit. So that's actually pretty nifty. You could do some, maybe even mount it to like an exercise bike or something, because I have one with a screen on it that you could easily put this on and then just have a mini keyboard while you work out if you know, work from home. And then right over here, these are the screws for said mount, and you have a HDMI cable included, and I like the short size of this because this will make it very easy to like audit cables in the back of a monitor wherever you put the unit. And then finally, nope, nothing else. So yeah, it's a great value. I mean, got your PC, you got all the cables you need to get started. You got a pretty hefty CPU on it, and you got, you know, enough RAM to do mostly anything. Just look at it. It's like the size of my hand. So yeah, we'll see if I can recommend it after I run it, but according to other users, I mean, it's pretty good. So I'm keeping my hopes up, and pretty impressed with what I got so far. Alright, see ya.